Welcome to day 12 of me backtesting my way to success. Let's see how the first trade goes. So the first trade was a win. The reason I entered was area of liquidity right here. Order block, no, not order block, fair value gap right below it. I scaled into a lower time frame to look for a break of structure. Once that happened, I entered right here on this candle. Take profits were the beginning of this order block, which was also the previous area of liquidity, and the area of liquidity from before. So right here, I think I could have even made a take profit at the beginning of the order block, but I didn't do that because as you can see, there's a 3-hour fair value gap right here. Price already reacted with it, so it may even go up to the order block, but there's also a possibility that it won't. So yeah, I just went for those take profits because I was sure that they would be hit, and they were. So let's see how the next trade goes. Okay, so huge trade right here. What happened was price took out this area of liquidity, and right before it, as you can see, there's a big fair value gap to the upside, and in I think it was 2 hours, yeah, this order block, and it looked like it ignored the order block and the fair value gap, but I remember this trade from a couple of days ago. The same thing happened, like fair value gap or order block or both. It ignored it, went for the area of liquidity right below those, and then it shot up. And so I waited for a breakout structure right here. Take profits were the previous areas of liquidity, which I've marked for you. So right here, 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 and here, all were hit. And yeah, I gave it a lot of breathing room. So that was a really, really good trade. It's already kind of ingrained in my mind to take those kinds of trades. So yeah, let's just see how the next trade goes. Okay, so what happened right here was liquidity sweep from back there. Break of structure right here. I entered and take profits for previous areas of liquidity right here, right here, and it was wrong. And the reason I lost was because I traded against the bias again, and also because I should wait for more confluences, like liquidity sweep and break of structure are just two confluences, and the trade is more likely to go as I expect it to if I have more confluences, if I have like a fair value gap or an order block at least. But yeah, I didn't have that. So, and it looks like it's going to hunt for this area of liquidity. So those three reasons were why I lost, and let's see how the next trade goes. Okay, so another trade, and it was a huge win again. So as you can see, big daily fair value gap right here. I scaled into a lower time frame. I saw this void again, and if you remember, I just said that I think price is going to hunt for this area of liquidity, and yeah, it did in the end, but I thought that price would just go straight down, but it kind of consolidated a bit, created this void, and I thought, okay, off of this void, price is going to go into the daily fair value gap and then go down. I could have actually taken this trade, but I think I mean, it would have been okay, but because I'm not too sure how price reacts with the void yet, I didn't do it, and instead waited for price to go into this fair value gap, like I said. Breaker structure scaled into the 5 minute even this time, and right here broke structure as you can see. And for a trade, take profits were previous areas of liquidity. So at the beginning of the void and also a liquidity, then end of the void and also an area of liquidity. This area of liquidity and also this area of liquidity from here, from right here. And yeah, all were hit. It was a pretty huge trade again. Risk reward ratio was not that good, but still, you know, I knew that price was going to go down since daily fair value gap and so on, because all of the confluences I just listed you. So yeah, that's it for today's episode. Hold up, let me look at what it is like. Yeah, okay, so we're back at almost 57% win rate, almost 14%, which is pretty good. And so we'll see you in the next one.